Lately, thanks to the Pakistan Telecom Authority's new service, millions of people around Pakistan have gotten to know exactly how many mobile SIMs are registered on their name. And given the security threat in the country, this service is a welcome one. So how can you go about finding out how many SIMs you have registered on your name, and what is the procedure for getting them cancelled? Now all you have to do is either text in 668 from your mobile phone or go to the PTA's website and enter your ID card number and click on submit. This page will come up, and as you can see, there are 3 mobile phone SIMs issued in my name, out of which I know the whereabouts of only one of them. Now it's extremely necessary that I get these cancelled as soon as possible because anybody could be using them to incite terrorism. So what is the procedure of getting them cancelled? You take an original copy of your ID card and go to the nearest service provider who has issued that particular SIM. Then you go through a number of security checks in order to get your SIM cancelled. Now I've been at my mobile phone service provider's office for the past 45 minutes, and it looks like it might take another hour for me to be able to get my SIM blocked. I've been given customer number 785 and currently customer number 600 is being served, and the form that I have to fill out to get the SIM blocked requires a whole list of security satisfactions which might take a long time to provide. Now this does not make any sense at all. First of all, people are helping the government by getting these SIMs blocked, and secondly, it takes only 5 minutes to get a SIM issued. Why on earth should it take so long to get it cancelled? Customers understand the need but are frustrated by the process.
777 नंबर मिला हुआ है और अंदर 700 चल रहा है, और दूसरी बात यह है कि कोई अंदर 2 काउंटर खाली चल रहे हैं, बाकी 2 काउंटर कोई है ही नहीं। अभी यहाँ पे इंतज़ार में बैठे हैं, काम धंधा छोड़ के इधर लाइनों में खड़े हैं सिम ब्लॉक करवाने के चक्कर में।
इंक्वायरी सुबह से लेकर निकला हुआ हूँ मैं, कोई काम कोई किसी चीज़ का नहीं हो, सिर्फ कभी जैस के दफ्तर में, कभी वारिद के दफ्तर में, कभी जोम के दफ्तर में। यहाँ है तो 776 नंबर मिला हुआ है, बाहर खड़े हुए इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
In this day and age when terror is all around us, mobile SIMs that people want to get blocked should be a priority, and all that should be needed in essence is the original photocopy of an ID card. And maybe the emphasis on various security checks should be on issuing SIMs and finding an easier procedure of blocking them. Abid Hasan, Dawn News, Karachi.